RJWC coming soon.
The old, what's this thing called?
Big gun.
The old big gun exhaust that, as you can see, just went to shit. So, old stocky's back on. So I didn't order a new exhaust. We got the stock one back on, which it's running pretty good. Obviously, it's not going to sound good, but hopefully sometime in the near future, I'll be ordering that RJWC. It's like $600. Couple YouTube checks. We'll be right there. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hit up our Patreon, buy our merch. All right, but the real problem, we're trying to fix, if you watch our last couple videos, the belt's been slipping. So before last ride, me and Scott, we tore it apart. We even took the whole belt housing apart, sealed it up, put it back together, and it failed miserably. As soon as I got in some deep water, it would start slipping again. But what we found was, we might have did this the last time we tore into it, but this whole thing was disconnected. It was like that, which is not good. It goes right into the belt housing. So we're gonna put that back on there. Hopefully our seal job from last time worked. And yeah, we actually were flooding it with water, so it went the whole way down through the system, filling up the all the snorkels, all the tubes. Didn't see any leaks. And we actually we're just spraying water right in there. It's probably not the best idea, but it's a good way to find out if there's any leaks. Filled the whole thing up with water, and no water was coming out of it, so should be good. Also, I think I blew an axle or something because it clicks real bad over here. Like some really loud clicking. It's been going on for a long time, but any ideas what that could be, comment down below. It's a quick update video. We're tearing it apart. I was like, get the camera out, man.
Get it out. Here, give me the camera.
So yeah, we're just out here working on a Flare Sportsman 850 High Lifter Edition of 2020. Tearing it apart, putting it back together. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Scott's Garage. All right, so first things first. Scott, throw me that. Never mind, I got it. Check this out.
Install video.
Wow.
There we go.
All right, thanks guys for watching. Yeah.
Is that a wrap?
Get this. Check this shit out. We got to make some kind of video out of this, right? Can't just leave it at like a 2-minute update. So check this out. This is gonna be sick. You see that?
Yeah.
Watch this. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Get a load of this. All right, I meant get a load of this. You getting a load of this?
Yeah. Dropping a load on it. What?
See, now you want to make sure it's not too tight, but tight enough to where the clamp is going to stay on. So let's give her another go. So yeah, she ain't going nowhere. All right, what happened? Any high lifter guys out there might know where water could be getting in my belt housing. Please help me out in the comments below. Also, the ticking in the back, the ticking, the clicking, the bicking, the snicking, the ricking. Let's get an RIP in the chat, in the comments for the, what was it called?
Big Gun Evo
Big
U.
Gun Evo U. It was a solid exhaust, solid experience all around. At the end of the day, it was a cheap exhaust. You buy cheap, you get cheap. So as you can see, that's not what you're looking for with your exhaust. All these screws that were in here just completely blew out. And it pretty much just went to shit. I mean, it is fixable, I guess. Probably if you really wanted to, but shit. We're gonna put this thing right back together, and then maybe I'll take you guys for a ride. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like that. She's back together. She's back for another go at it. Will it slip next time? Stay tuned. It probably will. Unbelievable. Unreal. Absolutely unfathomable. Oh, let's take her for a ride. Listen to that popping, just clicking sound. It does it worse, I think, when I'm in reverse, going slow and turning sharp. Or even just when I'm turning sharp, going slow, it clicks real bad. I don't know if that's an axle or like I said before, the boot on the one axle, it's on bloom, but it came off. So let me know down below what that could possibly be.